in a galaxy far, far away. As the echoes of the Jedi Order faded after the dark side took its toll, a question lingered. Could anyone have foreseen how Luke Skywalker, a true Renaissance man among Jedi, would single-handedly revitalize their depleted ranks? The answer might lie in one fateful line from the Phantom Menace that hinted at what a crucial turning point in their recruitment criteria. When Qui-Gon Jinn couldn't convince the Jedi Council of Anakin Skywalker's Force potential, wasn't it possible that Luke Skywalker, guided by wiser instincts, realized the error of their overly focused search? Picture this. If Luke had been a figurehead exploring the farthest reaches of the galaxy, he'd have discovered untapped pools of Force-sensitive talent beyond the Republic's borders. Imagine if Luke's temple had welcomed not just children of the Republic, but all who showed a spark within them, regardless of their origin. This expansion would have unlocked the potential of countless Dian Food the Judi Wusher, ready to rise against the darkness. As we peek into the shadows of Star Wars lore, Luke's story deserves a closer look. He stumbled upon Grogu and Ahsoka, far from the watchful eyes of those confined by tradition. And while the prequel Jedi Order's blinkered focus led to missed opportunities, Luke's unconventional approach ultimately led to the healing of the Jedi Order's fractured legacy. But attention, dear viewer, don't just absorb this tale, let it ignite your own curiosity. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating Star Wars stories, and hit that like button to fuel our mission to unravel these fascinating mysteries bit by bit. And when the journey concludes, remember this. Who would have thought that a new age of Jedi would begin with a willingness to see the Force in unconventional places. And with that said, thanks for watching. Enjoy all Shiases, Xinguang Jiahui. Thank you very much for sure. 咱们星际相遇。